Hello and welcome to this tutorial on placing different orders using the Altrady trading platform. In this video we will cover the various order types available in Altrady and how to use them to buy and sell cryptocurrencies effectively. First, let's start with market orders. Market orders allow you to immediately buy or sell cryptocurrencies at the current market price. However, the price is not defined and sometimes market orders can be executed at a worse price than expected. Market orders are used when users want to quickly buy or sell cryptocurrencies, no matter what the price is. Next, we have the stop market orders. Stop market orders allow you to add a trigger price at which your market order will be created and executed. These are mostly used for stop loss or for when you're waiting for a breakout. Moving on to limit orders. These orders allow you to ensure that your order is executed at a specific price or better. However, the downside is that a limit price may never be reached and the order will remain unfilled. The limit orders are the most popular trading type for professional traders. Then we have the stop limit orders. Stop limit orders require a trigger price to be set, and after reaching this price, the limit order will be created. Stop limit orders can be used to trade breakouts or to wait for a confirmation before placing an order. Trailing stops allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at better prices. For example, if you want to sell your cryptocurrencies at a higher profit but not miss the top, you can set a trailing stop to follow the price up. And as soon as the price moves down by a specific percentage, your cryptocurrencies will be sold. Finally, we have ladders. Ladders allow you to create up to 10 entry orders or exit orders. There are two types of ladders in Altrady: scaled ladders and targeted ladders. Scaled ladders allow you to set specific upper and lower prices and select the number of orders within this range. Users can apply specific order distribution rules for the ladder by selecting price and size scales. Target ladders let you create multiple independent limit orders and allow you to set the price at your desired levels. In conclusion, Altrady offers a range of order types that you can use to buy and sell cryptocurrencies effectively. We encourage you to practice using different types of orders and experiment with different strategies. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial useful.